Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to solve quadratic equation by completing a square. We have already discussed that there are so many methods for solving quadratic equation. One is by factorizing the given quadratic equation, second by completing the square, and third by quadratic formula. So let us see these problems, how to find solutions, how to find roots of these problems, these quadratic equations by the method of completing a square. So generally in examination question will be asked that find the roots or find the solutions of following quadratic equations by the method of completing a square. So let us discuss these four questions, and with the help of these questions and their solutions, it will be very clear how to approach to get the roots or solutions by the method of completing a square. So let us start with this first question. Here first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here we have to we have to use the method of completing square. Means here we must have a square of two terms. So this first term cannot be a perfect square. So let us divide these equations throughout by 2. So dividing by 2, we will get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So for completing the square, we must express here these two terms in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Correct? So here a square is here x square minus 2 in place of a, 2ab in place of a, we have to write x here, and in place of b we have to select a number such that after simplification it should be 7 by 2x. We have already written 2 here, so we should write here 7 by 4. Correct? So this is a square minus 2ab. Next term will be b square, so 7 by 4 whole square. Now you see it has been reduced in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So after expressing in this form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, or if minus sign is here, then we should have negative here, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So by writing in this way, you can get whole square of x minus 7 by 4 whole square. But here we have to correct it, that since we have added 7 by 4 whole square means 49 by 16 from our side, so it should be removed, it should be deleted. So we will subtract here minus 49 by 16. Why minus 49 by 16? As we discussed, this is 7 by 4 whole square means 49 by 16. So we are adding here 49 by 16. So for balancing this expression, we have to subtract it here. And the last term is plus 3 by 2. This is equal to 0. And this much part is written here as x minus 7 by 4 whole square. And here we can simplify it. Let us take minus common and LCM will be 16. So this is 49 minus 24. This is equal to 0. And this gives us x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus, this is how much? 25 by 16 is equal to 0. Now we'll transfer this 25 by 16 to right hand side, and you will get here x minus 7 by 4 whole square. This is equal to 25 by 16 in right hand side. This can be written as 5 by 4 whole square. Correct? Now taking square root in both the sides. So we can write here x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus minus 5 by 4. Why plus minus 5 by 4? Because you see here this is plus and minus. Because square of plus and minus gives us always positive number. So its square will be 25 by 16. That's why we are getting here plus and minus 5 by 4. So with the help of this expression, we can get value of x. How? See. And x is equal to this minus 7 by 4 will be transferred to right hand side. So this is 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. So first of all, you will take this plus sign. Then you will get one value of x. And when we will take this minus sign, we will get another value of x. So you will get here two values of x. Correct? So first value we will get 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. This is equal to 12 by 4. This is equal to 3. And another value of x is 7 by 4. We will take this minus sign. Minus 5 by 4. This is equal to 2 by 4. This is equal to half. So we are getting two values here. X is equal to 3 and half. So these values are the solutions of this quadratic equation, which we are getting here by the method of completing the square. Correct? Now let us see next question. Now let us see this second question. Here second question is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here also you see 2 is here. So 2x square is not a perfect square. So we will divide this expression throughout by 2. So dividing by 2 so that you could get here x square plus x by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We have divided this expression by 2. Correct? So that here you could get x square. Then it can be expressed in the form of a plus b whole square plus or minus some constant. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square and some constant you will get here. So we'll try to write this expression in the form of a plus b whole square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a square we are having x square plus next term is 2ab. So 2, a means x here, x, and b. How we can decide b? We have to select a number for b such that after simplifying or multiplying it, you will get x by 2. So clearly we have already written here 2x. So here we should write b is 1 by 4. So that after simplifying it, we should get the same value x by 2, which we are getting here when this 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. Correct? So this much should be taken care of. And this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. B square is not here present. That we have to add here. So b square is 1 plus 4 whole square. And since 1 plus 4 whole square means 1 by 16 is being added from our side, so it should be deleted. It should be subtracted from here. So we are subtracting 1 by 16. Correct? And this term is minus 2, which is equal to 0. So by writing this in this way, we are getting in the form of a plus b whole square, means we are completing square. So this is x plus 1 by 4 whole square, and this much is, let us take minus common. So 1 by 16 plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? And therefore x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, we will transpose this part to right hand side. So it will become a plus of this much. So after taking LCM, you will get here 33 by 16. Correct? And therefore, taking square root in both the sides, this square will be removed from here. So you will get x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus square root of 33 by 16. Means square root of 33 and square root of 16 is 4. And therefore, x is equal to minus of 1 by 4 plus minus root 33 by 4. Correct? So, you will get two values of x here. When you will take this plus sign, you will get one value of x, and when you will take this negative sign, you will get another value of x. So, therefore, x is equal to, if you take this plus sign, you can write x is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus root of 33 by 4. Let us simplify it. So, this is LCM will be 4, and here we are getting root of 33 minus 1. This is one solution, one value of x. Another value, how we will get? By taking this negative sign. So, another value x will be, this 1 by 4 will be transferred to right hand side, already transferred here. So, this is minus 1 by 4, and we are taking this negative sign here. Here we have taken positive sign. Here we are taking now negative sign, minus root 33 by 4. Correct? And simplify it. So this is equal to, minus will be common, 1 by 4 plus root 33 by 4. And therefore, x is equal to minus of root 33 plus 1 by 4. So we are getting here two values of x. These are solutions, these are roots of the quadratic equation. One is root 33 minus 1 by 4, and another is minus of root 33 plus 1 by 4. These are the answers. These are the solutions of this given quadratic equation. Correct? So in this way, we can solve these quadratic equations by the method of completing square. We'll discuss two more questions here, third and fourth. So now let us see third question. Now this question 3 is here, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So you see here 4x square is a complete square which can be written as 2x whole square, plus here we should try to write in the form of 2ab. So 2 in place of a we have 2x, and in place of b you have to take the number b in such a way that after multiplying these factors we should have 4 root 3x. So 4x is already here. We must have here b is equal to root 3. So that twice a, b is having the same value 4 root 3x. That we should take care of. And plus b square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then only we can be able to complete the square. Correct? That's why we are approaching like this. B square means root 3 whole square. Means this is 3, which is already available here. So there is no need to subtract or add anything else. And this is equal to 0. Now this is 2x plus root 3 whole square is equal to 0. This implies 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. This is the answer. This is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Correct? So you may have a question that previous two questions we were having two solutions, but here we are having only one solution. Why? In the next video we will discuss that sometimes both of the roots are equal. That's why, of course, there will be two roots, but both of the roots are minus root 3 by 2. Both of the roots are equal. So we are getting here only one solution, only one root of this quadratic equation. That will be clear to you in the next video when we will use quadratic formula. Now, last question, fourth question. So question number 4 is here. 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Correct? These two questions are similar, only there is a difference of sign. Here minus 4, here plus 4. So we have to follow the same method that we have followed in this question. Correct? So let us try. So first of all, we'll divide throughout by 2, so that this first term will be as a perfect square. So dividing by 2, we will get x square plus x by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Now we'll try to complete the square, a plus b whole square. So of course this is x square, no problem. In place of a square, this is x square, plus I will try to write in the form of 2ab. So 2x, what will be value of b here? Value of b will be here 1 by 4. So that after simplifying it, after multiplying these factors, we will get x by 2 only, that we must have. And plus b square, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are adding here b square, 1 by 4 whole square, we are adding here. So we should subtract the same thing, means 1 by 16 should be subtracted to balance this part. And this term is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you see, these three terms are in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of these three terms, we can write x plus 1 by 4 whole square. And this is minus, we can take common from here. So this is minus 1 by 16 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, we transpose this part to right hand side, so it will be a plus sign here. So we are getting here LCM is 16 and 1 minus 32 is equal to minus 31 by 16. You see, we have to be very careful here that x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 31 by 16. Is it possible? No, never. Because a square of anything cannot be a negative number. So in this case, what we should do? Here simply we have to write that this quadratic equation has no solution. There is no solution. Why? Because a square of this much is here minus of something, minus 31 by 16, which is not possible. Correct? So this given quadratic equation, this one has no solution. This is our answer. Correct? So it is very simple to solve these problems by the method of completing a square. And I hope, students, that you might have understood it very well, and I will advise you to do some more practice so that you could have a good command over this topic. So thank you very much for watching this video.